Hi, it's Todd here from Todd Cutler, and I'm here with our circa 1500 German war sword. And this is just the most fantastic cutter. It's an awesome piece with an 18C blade on it, really broad, but that doesn't mean it's heavy. Whoop, there we go. You've got a very characteristic German, round about 1500 to 1540, double bow on the hilt here. Again, twisted decoration going through onto the pommel as well. Leather cord bound grip with nice sort of chunky cord binding on it, so it gives you really good grip, especially combined with the riser. Blade itself is 34 inches, 86 centimeters, and it is all sword. It's a lovely piece. But if that is not enough, of course, it comes with an amazing tooled scabbard and the belt to go with it. What an amazing, lovely piece.